R 8252, State of Texas versus Yvette Monique Garcia. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Daniel Escobar for the state of Texas.
Defense.
Yvette Garcia.
Are you Miss Yvette Garcia?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Garcia, I'm showing you what's entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Ms. Garcia, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of theft under $2,500 enhanced? That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that the court would grant your application for deferred adjudication if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked? The court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in a state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
Ms. Garcia, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. I'm showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, there's a $500 fine and the state recommends deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes.
Showing you the paragraph entitled waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, are there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. State is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 2 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 120 hours community service restitution, CATs 1 and 2. And who is the no contact with?
HEB.
All right. Any objections to the court writing that requesting?
No.
Okay. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence?
Your Honor, state would offer essentially the one and all attachments, and we would also add in previous judgment. I don't believe that got added in. And there was another.
Any objection?
No objections.
Sorry about that, Judge.
No
I just
problem.
noticed that one standing up here.
Okay.
That was in the fine.
All right. I'm going to show you what's entitled waiving consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial? A right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same.
Judge, I was just mentioning, so in the indictment, I believe it's 2 county court cause numbers that
Yes.
started with an 8. I think that the other theft case that we have proof of it is a felony cause number. So I think that they accidentally went back and used the 2 county court, but then only provided the felony judgment.
Okay. So for reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding you guilty as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, we're asking the court to follow the recommendation of the ADA. Ms. Garcia does have a stable place to live. She'll be living at her in-laws, and she is willing to comply with any court sanctions that the court may impose upon her.
All right. Ms. Garcia,
Yes,
do you have any children?
Yes,
What are their ages?
one's 25, one's 18, and one's 19. One's 18 and gonna be 19 on the 9th, and I have a 19-year-old.
Okay. And have you ever been diagnosed with any mental health issues?
Yes, I have. I had emailed that letter to my attorney.
All right. So what have you been diagnosed with?
Bipolar, schizophrenic, anxiety, PTSD, major PTSD, major depression, hallucinations, which I haven't been having lately since I've been on my psych meds. And some big medical term where my bones are deteriorating by themselves.
Okay. All right. So this is what the court will do. I think we're waiting for. All right. Hi. So Ms. Garcia, there's going to be a $500 fine. That will be probated. 3 years deferred adjudication. I'm going to want a MILF evaluation. First, I'm going to want a referral to felony drug court before we do that. The felony drug court referral will take place while in custody. And Ms. Garza, Mr. Brooks is right in the box. Will Brooks? Yes, he's right in the box. So he'll be able to let you know if they can get her on the evaluation docket for felony drug court. So they should be able to do that hopefully this week. But I just want to make sure that's done. I don't want to send you out into the world without some help, okay? All right, there's to be 120 hours of community service restitution. If she provides medical documentation as to why she won't be able to complete that, then the court will consider waiving it because I know she says she has the bone condition. Yes?
How am I supposed to do that if I'm in custody?
Oh, this is going to, I'm just telling you what I'm expecting of you.
Okay.
And then the probation will know that you're in custody. And once you meet with them, they're going to give you certain dates and times to do things. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Listen, they're asking for cats 1 and 2. I'm going to give you cats. And the only reason why I'm giving you cats right now is because I know you have mental health issues. I know you have medical issues with your bones. Here's my cats 1 and 2. Do not take what does not belong to you.
Yes, Your Honor.
And as a side note, which I don't think cats provide, if somebody invites you somewhere and then asks you to leave, leave. If somebody is taking you as a +1, make sure you're going as a +1 and it's just not you're meeting somebody and they're saying, hey, I'm going here. You want to go with me? You understand?
Yes, Your
So do not steal anymore.
I learned my lesson.
All right, so that's my cats 1 and 2 program. And I'm only doing that because of your medical issues and your mental health issues. You understand?
Your Honor, my son and my daughter-in-law are both working. My son works 2 jobs. And they're both on the verge of losing their job if I can't babysit because I'm the only.
Oh, no, I'm not allowing you to babysit. That's out of the question.
Okay, so I can let him know.
Yes. No,
Okay.
she's not allowed to babysit. And you understand why I'm doing that, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have the mental health issues, plus you have the drug issues.
I just need, confirm to my son.
So there's proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Or proof of SSI within 30 days. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors.
Yes, Your Honor.
And honestly, between me and you, I don't know why they would allow you to babysit. And the reason why I say that is because I'm reading this and they found a crack pipe, right? I'm reading this and they're saying that there's mental health issues going on. So you should not be babysitting someone's children. You understand? And how old are these children?
They're 3 and 2, I think.
Oh, absolutely not. All right, and what's the name of the son?
Xavier,
What? Xavier what?
Ramos,
And who's the wife?
Gabby Martinez. I'll let them know as soon as possible.
All right, and counsel, now I have issues with her staying there because I don't know what these people are doing with a 3-year-old and a 2-year-old and allowing her to babysit because they want what's easy for them.
Well, Judge.
I mean, I know
that's
she
their
needs a place to
decision
stay.
As parents, that's their decision as parents if they want her to babysit or if they don't want her to babysit.
I'm not going to allow her to babysit.
My mom's babysitting them while I'm.
I'm not going to allow her to have any unsupervised contact with minors.
Well, if
Because then the next thing what will end up happening, we'll be back here. Some baby may or may not be injured and they may not or not be saying it's you. And then you know what they're going to say? Well, Judge, you knew she had mental health issues and you knew she had drug issues and you're okay with her babysitting.
I understand.
All right, there's going to be regular UAs, field visits, random once a month until further notice. Probation, is there anything else she needs?
no, Judge, on the myopic eval, do you want that done in custody or?
Yes, unless she's accepted to felony drug court. If she's accepted to felony drug court, then they can do that. Is there anything else she needs? All right, Ms. Garcia, is there anything else you need from the court?
I would rather go to hearing for help. I can find some of the place that matters.
Is there anything else you need?
Judge, she's asking, she just wants to clarify. Are you prohibiting her to live at that location? That way she can just make arrangements to go straight from the jail to Haven for Hope.
Well, felony drug court will probably make arrangements for her to live somewhere, but I'm telling you right now, you are not allowed to babysit. And there may cause some problems for you because what I've discovered is people will end up saying, well, I'm just running to the store. Will you stay with the children?
Right.
And then you'll be like, oh, okay. And then probation pops up and they look and you're there by yourself. That's a violation of your probation conditions.
Understand.
So showing you what's entitled trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?